Hi friends, this is your Padmaja from Hong Kong. Today I'm going to show you a lovely recipe by my sister-in-law's sister-in-law. This is called as Puran Poli or Bobbatlu in Telugu. But the stuffing is made with jaggery and sweet potato. For making the dough you need 1 cup wheat flour, half cup white flour or maida, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, ghee and water to make the dough. For the stuffing, you need half cup jaggery powder and 2 sweet potatoes, 1 spoon of cardamom powder. Make a smooth dough with the flour, cover it and let it rest for about 2 hours. Boil and mash the sweet potato to a smooth paste. Now add the jaggery powder and cardamom powder. On a low flame, just keep stirring this mixture till the jaggery melts and comes together. Wish you all a very happy Ugadi and happy Gudi Padwa.
Wish you all a happy Ugadi and Gudi Padwa.